Hi everybody, my name is Carol Lill. I'm a high school business education teacher in the Westchester Area School District. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about 3 tips for online teaching. And the 3 tips after a semester of pandemic online teaching that I would like to share with you are: always be prepared. Be over prepared. You never know how things can go. One of the other things I'd like to say is that still be funny. It's a difficult time for everybody, and you might be a little bit corny, but just do the best you can to still be funny. And the third tip that I think could really help you out is when you're talking with your students, when you're giving instructions, and even on assignments, be more clear than you ever imagined. They don't have you there really in person that they can easily just call you over and ask you a question. So you want to look at your directions that you have and don't leave anything up to, oh, I'll just say that later in class. Make sure that not only you say it, but the directions are there in writing, and even possibly that you have a video to explain your project or to explain your topic. So thanks so much for having me, and I hope these tips help you out.